Hey guys, we're getting on the Dubai chocolate train. We saw this at Costco, had to get it. There's 3 types of chocolate. So strawberry, pistachio, and hazelnut. So let's try this out. I've never had the Dubai chocolate, so let's see what everyone's talking about. The brand is Chocovia. Let's open it up.
And it says Dubai style
chocolate.
So I'm not sure if it's really Dubai chocolate.
Oh, okay.
Whatever. Individually wrapped. That's cute.
This will be a great, either gift at Christmas time or even, at the end of your meal. That is cute. I'm going to start with the pistachio because I love pistachio.
Yes, it does.
Let's see what all the fuss is about.
Does it pass the smell test first?
Hold on, let me open it nice. Smells like chocolate.
Okay.
It's a very thick.
It is thick. Can you show it over here?
I hope it's all filled with pistachio.
So you can see how thick it is there. And on top, is there any little logo?
No.
No? Okay.
All right.
Dig in, see how it is.
Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Now, again, I don't know much about Dubai chocolate, but the chocolate itself is so thick that it's chocolate forward. But once you taste that cream filling of the pistachio, it's like little bites of heaven. Really good. I just wish there was a little more.
Let's try one of the other ones. Let me just see if I can get a good close-up of this. Because it's hard to get on the camera. That was my finger.
It's in there.
Well, it's green. That's all I can tell you.
So it was $13.99 on sale. So I thought that was a pretty good price.
Are you trying the other ones?
Let's try, what should we try? I've never seen strawberry.
We'll try it then.
Would you like to try?
After.
All right, let's see strawberry. Oh, okay, so the strawberry one is more of like a white chocolate exterior, but it's pink. That's pretty.
So it's white, but it's pink. That makes sense.
It's white chocolate that was tinted pink. It smells strawberry. So. Oh, that is sweet. That is strawberry. I'm not a fan.
Okay.
But people that do like, those cream filling chocolates with strawberry and stuff will love this. So.
And I think there's one last one.
There's hazelnut.
If you want to see what it looks like again, guys, if you're thinking of buying this at Costco. It's not sponsored, by the way, but here it is. And it's $13 at your local Costco.
On sale.
On sale. Yeah.
And hazelnut.
It's a lot of hoopla about Dubai chocolate all of a sudden. So
Yep.
just wondering if it's worth the hoopla or not. So far, it doesn't sound like it is.
Looks like it.
We'll see.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh, that one you can see.
That's how the pistachio one should have been. If you buy it for the hazelnut. Oh my gosh, so good.
Hold that again. Let me see it.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
Really good. All right, guys. So, do I regret buying it? No, because this is going to be lovely at the end of a meal when there's guests over. But I don't think this is what people are talking about for the Dubai chocolate experience. So, I might be wrong. I'm going to have to try an actual bar.
Because we did see a bar, a pistachio Dubai chocolate at that store, and it was $15.
Yeah, just for a bar of chocolate.
Yeah. So it might taste different than this. Who knows?
But all in all, good quality. Really nice product. I would buy it Christmas time, man. Guys, like, subscribe. See you on the flip side. Merry Christmas.